also get you the breaking news coming in at the moment. Inside track of the Fadnavis-Shinde meeting that happened at Varsha. It lasted for 35 minutes. Sources now saying that Eknath Shinde has agreed to be the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Portfolio allocation was also reportedly discussed in this meeting. So details now emerging of that crucial meet between Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde. Hopefully this meeting will lead to the resolution of this entire deadlock that we have been seeing since the Mahayuti won that overwhelming number of seats in the Maharashtra Assembly elections. The Chief Minister's face not yet being announced by the alliance.
Well, it is said to be a crucial meeting between Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde at Varsha Bungalow, which went for 30 to 35 minutes in a closed-door meeting. And what we are learning from our sources that first Girish Mahajan went to the Sagar Bungalow, he met Devendra Fadnavis, and then he got some message to convey to Eknath Shinde from Sagar Bungalow. Then he went to Varsha Bungalow, he meets Eknath Shinde, passes on the message and there the meeting takes place for about 20 to 25 minutes, and after that he leaves from Varsha Bungalow and again meets Devendra Fadnavis at his Sagar residence. And only after that Devendra Fadnavis leaves for Varsha, where he meets Eknath Shinde, and there a closed door meeting takes place for about 35 minutes. What we are learning that this is very important and crucial because the meeting is happening after Devendra Fadnavis met senior leaders in Delhi. It is believed that Devendra Fadnavis must have conveyed some important message to Eknath Shinde, who was not reachable throughout the day because of his ill health, because he was busy with his medical checkup and other meetings, and especially some important messages are conveyed not over the telephone but in person. Perhaps that could be the reason that this closed door meeting took place between Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde. What sources are telling us that in this meeting they definitely discussed about the oath-taking ceremony, and also about the portfolio distribution. Now, more importantly, it will be important to see that whether a discussion about the Home Ministry portfolio and about the Speaker post of Vidhan Sabha was discussed or not, whether any decision is taken on that, whether it is being postponed, this discussion, and whether Devendra Fadnavis told Eknath Shinde to participate in the oath-taking ceremony first, and these issues can be addressed later on the next day when Mahayuti meeting will be taking place on 6th December. So this is not this information is still have not come out so far. So we have to wait and watch for this information, this vital piece of information, whether any discussion, whether any settlement is done on the Home Ministry portfolio or not, because Eknath Shinde was very keen for the same.